and there's tears in my eyes. The heartache she calls me has wrecked my young life. The love that you promised to me was untrue. All I have is a memory. I can't forget about you. This lonesome old feeling keeps hanging around me. It reminds me of you and the love that we knew. I'll sit here alone. There's no one beside me with no love of my own. Now that you're gone. Are so lonely, and you're still on my mind. I can't lose this memory of you now, I find. So I'll go on hurting and thinking of you. This lonesome old feeling keeps making me blue. This lonesome old feeling keeps hanging around me. It reminds me of you and the love that we knew. I'll sit here alone. There's no one beside me with no love of my own. Now that you're gone, with no love of my own. Now that you're gone. Well, these old blues, they've got me down. Said the sweet thing, she ain't around. I'm as blue as I can be, just as blue as the deep blue sea. I got up this morning feeling so blue, didn't sleep all night thinking of you. I tossed and turned, tears in my eyes, I wondered why she said goodbye. Well, these old blues, they've got me down. Said the sweet thing, she ain't around. I'm as blue as I can be, just as blue as the deep blue sea. like a turn. His old blues, they got me down. Said the sweet thing, she ain't around. I'm as blue as I can be, just as blue as the deep blue sea. should have known you were false-hearted, that our love will never last. Cloudy in the east, looks like rain, looks like rain, boy, looks like rain. Cloudy in the east, looks like rain. I'm on my long journey home. Lost all my money but a $2 bill, $2 bill, boys, $2 bill. Lost all my money but a $2 bill. I'm on my long journey home. Black smoke horizon, surely is a train, surely is a train, boy, surely is a train. Black smoke horizon, surely is a train. I'm on my long journey home. Lost all my money but a $2 bill, $2 bill, boys, $2 bill. Lost all my money but a $2 bill. I'm on my long journey home. Little girl waiting on down the line, oh down the line, boys on down the line. Little girl waiting on down the line, I'm on my long journey home. Lost all my money but a $2 bill, $2 bill, boys, $2 bill. Lost all my money but a $2 bill. I'm on my long journey home. Lost all my money but a $2 bill, $2 bill, boys, $2 bill. Lost all my money but a $2 bill. I'm on my long journey home. Troubles and trials often betray those caught in the wearing body to stray. But we shall walk beside the still water with the good shepherd leading the way. Going up home to live in green pastures where we shall live and die evermore. Even the Lord will be in that number when we have reached that heavenly shore. Those who have strayed were sought by the Master, he who once gave his life for the sheep. Out on the mountain, still he is searching, bringing them in for ever to keep. Going up home to live in green pastures where we shall live and die evermore. Even the Lord will be in that number when we have reached that heavenly shore. We will not heed the voice of the stranger, for he would lead us all to despair. Following on with Jesus our Savior, we shall all reach that country so fair. Going up home to live in green pastures where we shall live and die evermore. Even the Lord will be in that number when when we have reached that heavenly shore. It was down in the old Common Mountain, down in the hills of Tennessee. It was there you waited in the moonlight. It was there you waited for me. Oh, why did you wonder? Why did you ever roam? When you know that we always have to hold on our old mountain home. Oh, where did you leave me, little darling? Why did you leave me alone? For you know I'd be lonely without you, all alone in our old mountain home. Oh, why did you wonder? Why did you ever roam? When you know that we always have been all alone in our old mountain home. Now I hope you'll always be happy, no matter where you may roam. And I hope you'll live you up to heaven, as you were in our old mountain home. Oh, why did you wonder? Why did you ever roam? When you know that we don't ever have been all alone in our old mountain home. Oh, why did you wonder? Why did you ever roam? When you know that we always have been all alone in our old mountain home. Faded love and winter roses always bloom in memory. Faded love and winter roses, yearning hearts that used to be. Will they meet again tomorrow, where we parted yesterday? Give me back the winter roses and the love you took away. And winter roses sprinkled with a lonely tear. Faded love and winter roses still recall each yesteryear. Will I always be a dreamer, dreaming of the used to be? Faded love and winter roses bloom and die in memory. it be 1 hour, or if it be 100 years, I'll keep remembering forever and ever. I'll love you, dear, as long as I live. It was easy said that night we parted, that I'd forget we'd ever met. I haven't forgotten. I wonder if you have, or if your heart is full of regret. As long as I live, if it be 1 hour, or if it be 100 years, I'll keep remembering forever and ever. I'll love you, dear, as long as I live. I never thought when we first parted that life without you would be this sad. It may sound funny, but I can't forget you. The only happiness I ever had. As long as I live, if it be 1 hour, or if it be 100 years, I'll keep remembering forever and ever. I'll love you, dear, as long as I live. I'll love you, dear, as long as I live. You left me, my darling, to travel alone. My heart is so lonely and blue. When friends ask about you while you're not around, how will I explain about you? How will I explain about you? They know I've been faithful and true. So when they start asking why you're not around, how will I explain about you? They saw us together for such a long time. They knew that our love was so true. But now that you're gone and I'm left all alone, how will I explain about you? How will I explain about you? I can't let them know that we're through. They wouldn't believe it could ever be true. How will I explain about you? If ever you're lonely and wish to return, remember I'm waiting for you. But if I must travel across life alone, how will I explain about you? How will I explain about you? I'm leaving it all up to you. And if you insist that our pathway must part, how will I explain about you? About you, I'm leaving it all up to you. And if you insist that our pathway must part, how will I explain about you? In a little pine grove by the old home, there's someone who's resting alone. And there on the tomb, these words I read, these words were, Mother is gone. Mother is gone to home, way up in heaven above. And my heart's so sad, for the words I read there, the words said, Mother is gone. as I stood alone with memories of home, the place I left long, long ago. I returned home, but I waited too long. The word said, Mother is gone. Mother is gone to her home, way up in heaven above. And my heart's so sad for the words I read there. The word said, Mother is gone. My friends did say before she went away, she called my name o'er and over. So trusting in God's love, I'll meet her above, over there on that other shore. Mother is gone to her home, way up in heaven above. And my heart's so sad for the words I read there. The word said, Mother is gone. The word said, Mother is gone.